The Uniq command is a powerful text processing tool that helps you identify and filter duplicate lines from sorted text files. It's an essential utility for data analysis and text manipulation in Linux. The Uniq command requires sorted input to work properly. The syntax is Uniq, followed by options, then optionally the input file and output file. Remember that Uniq only detects adjacent duplicate lines. It is typically used with the sort command. For example, sortFile.txt pipe to Uniq. Or to count occurrences, sortFile.txt pipe to Uniq with the option -c. Here's a basic example. Suppose you have a sample file named fruits.txt with the following content: apple, apple, banana, orange, 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 grape, grape, kiwi. If you use the Uniq command fruits.txt, the output will be apple, banana, orange, grape, kiwi. The Uniq command removes adjacent duplicate lines, keeping only one instance of each. The -c option counts the number of occurrences of each line. Using the same fruits.txt sample file as before: apple, apple, banana, orange, 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 grape, grape, kiwi. If you use the Uniq command with -c fruits.txt, the output will be 2 apples, 1 banana, 3 oranges, 2 grapes, 1 kiwi. The numbers on the left show how many consecutive duplicate lines were found for each item. Here we will see how to combine sort in Uniq. Suppose you have an unsorted file named colors.txt with the following content: blue, red, green, blue, yellow, red, purple, green, blue. Remember that Uniq only works on adjacent duplicate lines. When lines are not adjacent, Uniq alone won't identify all duplicates. If you use the command sortcolors.txt pipe to Uniq with the -c option, the output will be 3 blue, 2 green, 2 red, 1 purple, and 1 yellow. First sort brings identical lines together, then Uniq counts them accurately. Here are some advanced Uniq options. The first option is -d, which shows only duplicates. It displays only the duplicate lines, showing one instance of each duplicate. The command is Uniq-d file.txt. The next option is -u, which shows only unique lines. It displays only the lines that appear exactly once, meaning no duplicates. The command is Uniq-u file.txt. The next option is -i, which ignores case. With this option, the comparison is case insensitive. For example, apple and apple will be treated as duplicates. The command is Uniq-i file.txt. The last option is -fn, which skips fields. It ignores the first n fields of each line when comparing. Fields are separated by white space. The command is Uniq-f1 file.txt. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.